Finally turning the page. Alright, I'm going to take the left-handed challenge, okay? Yes, I know, I'm ambidextrous. Draw a cupcake. You can create so many styles just by playing around with different shapes and decorations. I love decorations. That's so fun. Okay. Alright, so this says, step 1, draw a triangle and an oval. Here's number 1. Here's your triangle. What? Oh, I see. Triangle over the oval. Why? What is that? What are we trying to draw? Are we trying to draw this? Or are you trying to draw this? Oh, we're trying to draw this. That's right. All right. Right, lefty challenge. So I'm only going to draw with my left hand, not my dominant hand, which is the right hand. I'm going to draw with my left hand. Okay. All right, first start with the oval. Then find the center. Make a line so that I know that the top is in the center, right? Center, cut it in half. Draw the edge to the side. 1. Oop, that was a little far. 2. That's okay. Don't use your angry child hand, Miss Anderson. All right, now I need to draw 2 lines that kind of come down and then curve. But what does the direction say? Extend 2 lines downward and join them with a curved line. Extend. Whoop. Whoop. And with a curved line. Oh, that is hard. Okay. I'm looking good, man. I'm doing a great job. Number 3, add curves on the triangle and vertical lines. We know those go up and down. And vertical lines for a cupcake paper on the bottom. Okay, so here's our cupcake paper right here, and then we have the curved lines. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 curved lines. And that back end of that circle doesn't even matter. Oh, lefty. Go back in. You know what's weird? I paint with my left hand. I don't know why it's so difficult for me to draw with it. Especially right now with this giant pencil on this piece of paper where I'm standing halfway over a chair. I don't know why this is difficult at all. Okay, here we go. 1 line. 2. 3. 4 curved lines. Look at that. That looks like a cupcake already. All right, vertical lines. They kind of... Look at this. Do you see how they go from the bottom to the top, but they don't go straight up and down? There's only one true straight line. That's this one. Everything else is angled this way, or on this side of that line, they go this way. Weird, right? Okay, let's try it. Right down the middle, straight line. Okay, kind of. And then it kind of angles off to the left. Oh, this paper's getting wrinkly. Oh, like my throat. Okay, this goes out to the side. This is crazy, man. I think I'm drawing these lines too tall, and they're so wiggly. Okay. Number 4. Number 4. Join the top lines with curves. Join the top lines with curves. And add a scalloped border to the paper cut below. Okay, so this part, this actually is important. This word right here that I'm boxing, scalloped. Okay, that's a style. We already know what this means. If you look at the top, what does that look like? What kind of line is this? Where it goes like a cloud. That's called scalloped. It's a scalloped border. That's what that's called. But we know there's another word for that. It's a wavy line. Right? It's not necessarily a loop-de-loop. Right? But it's a wavy line. I'm going to erase this top line. Wow, you're doing such a good job. Look at that. Non-dominant hand challenge. Scalloped edge. Sound effects. Sound effects. So important to make life even better. It's just so beautiful. All right, now I'm going to move that line up. Now it said join the top lines with curves and add a scallop border to the paper cup. We already did the second part. We added the scallop border. But it says join the top lines with curves. So they're talking about these lines. See these lines? And they want you to add curves. So see the difference? So you're going to erase this, like the triangle lines, you're going to end up erasing that so that you can draw curved lines, right? The letter C, curved lines, so that this looks like a big pile of fluffy frosting. So fluffy. Okay? So first I need to erase my lines. Erase. I don't know why. As I make these videos, my voice gets weirder and weirder. But you know what? That's what I sound like in class anyway. Now I'm just publicizing it. Everybody's going to know. So embarrassing. Okay. Curved line. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we need to make it a curved line. C shape. C shape. C shape. C shape. C shape. C shape. Oh, look at the top. Look at that. It's like bloop, bloop. And then a curve. It's like a wave, like an ocean wave. Whoosh, except it's going this way. Whoosh. Okay. Let's go, Hokusai. Anybody remember who Hokusai is? You better. Okay. Great wave, you guys. Great wave. All right, so number 5. Number 5. Directions. Wow. This changed a lot. Lots of things happened here. Okay, let's find out what they did. Add more lines. Duh. And dots for decoration. Oh, you mean in the little swirly part. And customize. Say what? What does that mean? Sounds like customer, but that's not what it means. Customize with a cherry bunting chocolate sticks. What? Okay. All right, so they added a little flag, they added a little star, and they added a cherry. I'm only going to add a cherry because drawing that looks really hard with my left hand. I guess I took the left hand challenge, so I might as well do it anyway. All right, so these lines are going curved because when you want something to look like it has volume, right? You're not going to draw perfectly straight lines. You're going to pretend that this big puffy flat pile of frosting actually has a curve to it, right? Each one of these has a curve. So you don't want to draw a straight line because that's going to make it look like a flat cartoon. If you notice, these lines are wavy. They're curved. Each one of these really light lines right here, right? So when you're drawing it, you want it to be curved. Curved. All your lines are curved, and they're all going the same direction. So if the curved lines on the bottom are going all at an angle like this, you want to draw all of your curved lines on each one of these delicious stacks of frosting to be the same way. Kind of like when you watch soft serve ice cream come out, right? It has that like little wavy texture to it. Delish. Okay, here we go. Curved line. Oh, that's like toothpaste. So curvy. Curve it. I'm kind of stacking. Did you notice that I'm kind of trying to stack it off center so that it's kind of like the way that we did the brick texture for the house. So they're not perfectly lined up. They're a little bit off. Right? Just a little bit off. And I'm going to add those nice little sprinkles, little circle sprinkles. Add those sprinkles on there. So nice with the sprinkles. You love the weirdness. You love it. Okay, cherry. Cherries have a heart-shaped top, right? And then they kind of curve. And they're like rounded on the bottom, like apples. And then they have that long stem. Whoosh. Touch flick. Did you see that? That was a touch flick. And I'm going to shade this in with some pencil lead really lightly. I'll use my blending stick. Oh my god, left hand blending stick. Some things I'm good at, some things I am not. Okay, blend. Blend. And I'm going to start blending down here too. Blend this part. Blend my cupcake. Ooh, I'm going to make it a chocolate cupcake, so I need to add more pencil lead so it's super dark down here. Cupcake's looking delicious. Delicious. Okay, well, this hand is working over here. Let's read what that says. Number 6 says, add texture to the cake rim and erase your guidelines. We already did that because we're amazing. But we're going to add shading because you're even more amazing than that. Okay, trying really hard not to use my right hand right now, and that is so difficult because it is, even though I can use both hands for a lot of things, this is like actually super difficult. All right, now add a little, I'm just going to add a little bit of pencil under each one of these horizontal lines, just a little bit, okay? Just a little bit under each one of these little rows of frosting so it kind of casts its own shadow from the layer of frosting that's on top. Then add, oh, wrong hand. Then add a little bit of blending. Blending, blending. You're doing so well. Oh my god, that's gorgeous. Look at it. Okay, now the bottom of my cupcake needs a shadow, so I'm going to add a nice, fat, dark line down here on the bottom. Look at that. See how thick that is? And just like we did before, you're going to touch the black line and pull. Touch, pull, touch, pull, touch, pull. Touch, pull, touch, pull, touch, pull. Look at that. That's gorgeous, man. Absolutely gorgeous. Stunning. So stunning. Okay, here we go. A nice cupcake. Add a little bit details up here at the top. Don't forget to shade in this part up here. Done. Complete. Hope you liked it. Enjoy. Go ahead and comment, subscribe, like all the videos, and tell me about your cupcake. Did you add a cherry on top? Did you add the flag? Did you add a little star? Did you add sprinkles? Does your stack of frosting, instead of only having 4 layers, does it have 27 layers of frosting? Show me. How did it go with the blending stick? Show me what it looks like. All right, guys. See you next time.